All right, so if your Tesla's making this sound, it's more than likely your upper control arm, which is a known issue. So we're gonna get right to it. First thing you gotta do is jack up the car, take off the wheel, and we're just gonna move the control arm joint, make sure all the lube gets in there, and that should fix it. Of course, this is if you're out of warranty. If you're under warranty, then Tesla will go ahead and take care of it free of charge. But if you're out of warranty like me, then this is a quick and easy fix.
All right, so here's where the issue lies. You can see this is the upper control arm. This is the joint that we gotta move around, but first we gotta take this off so we can get to that ball joint. All right, so we got the wheel off. We got this part off, which was a little tricky. It's bolted down with the T50. Works. Goes in there, it's bolted down on this side. What you want to do is take off the bolt, and then with a rubber mallet, bang it all the way to the end. Once it gets there, you can unscrew the rest of it. It comes right off. Now the trick to get rid of the squeaking is this ball joint right here. What you want to do is just move it around, make sure all that grease gets around in there. 360, front and back and forth, left, right, whatever works. Just get that grease rolling around in there so it can go all the way around, because apparently it only stays stuck on one part, so that's what's making it squeak. I've seen people inject the rubber in here. I don't know if that works, but this is the easiest and quickest and most cost-effective way, so I'm trying this first. Hopefully this works. Just move it around 360, back and forth, front and back, just a good minute or two, just to get all that lube all the way around. And you want to do this to both sides. For me, I'm pretty sure it's coming from my right side, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do both sides, just to prevent from having to do this again. So hopefully this works. But yeah, just move it around, get that grease rolling around in there. You can also just do a Zerx fitting. There's a Zerx fitting on the top part of this with a grease gun. You can do that too. That's probably better than injecting and making a hole in this rubber right here. But for now, we're just gonna move it around and hope for the best. Let's check out the results.
all right, so we're back in the car now after putting everything back the way it was, and we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Same scenario as the beginning of the video. I'm going down my driveway because my driveway is one of those places that it would for sure do it at. Whether I was going out or coming in, as soon as I hit that lip on my driveway, it was making that sound, just as you guys heard in the beginning of the video. So we're gonna go down my driveway and hopefully to no sound. So here we go. There we go. No sound. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Wow. Even going down my street, it would make the sound. I know it would make it. But nothing. That's so awesome, man. Wow. Can't believe that worked. Pretty good. Cost me nothing except about an hour of my time. So if you guys are having the same issue and you're out of warranty like I am, it's worth a shot. It's definitely worth a shot. So just make sure you take the proper precautions to lift the car. Make sure you have the proper jack pads, jack stands. Just be safe when you're doing it, and hopefully it works for you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.